name is Humphrey Chris KYAGULANYI. I am a pure Acholi by blood. I want to say the castigations our brother who once sang songs after songs to advocate for a peace return in the Acholi land and the greater northern Uganda, and a brother who once spoke the truth to the NRM government for the best interest of the Acholi people, is at the moment moving around throwing against the president of the National Unity Platform, Honorable His Excellency Robert KYAGULANYI SENTAMU, and our brothers and sisters, the Baganda, and the entire Noob fraternity is baseless, is egocentric, is selfish, is just a divide and rule tactic of the dictator. And as young people of Acholi, we will never accept to be part of these statements. We understand is packaging his statement as a message of the Acholi people. We want to, in public, distance ourselves from that statement. And we want to equally take this opportunity and apologize to the Honorable Robert KYAGULANYI SENTAMU, the President of the National Unity Platform, our brothers and sisters, the Baganda, and the entire Noob fraternity. The statement Boss Mig made is entirely his. Acholi people is not represented in that view, and it will never be the views of the Acholi people. Because we believe in unity beyond just the tribal affiliations. You are all aware that this is just another planned, failed, divide and rule tactic of his boss, the dictator. And I want to call upon the Baganda and the Acholi people that this is the time to unite like never before, because the enemy is within. In any case, if Boss Mig is indeed an Acholi and he wants to protect the interests of Acholi, he should have done one thing. Acholi should have apologized to the people of the Republic of Uganda. Why? Because we, the Acholi people, the Boss Migs, we overthrew the government, the second government of the late Dr. Apollo Milton Obote. And instead of protecting that government for the interests of the people of Uganda, we gave it out cheaply to Mr. Museveni. And because of that, Uganda has become a personal family property of Mr. Museveni. And to those of us who are not family members and are looking for breast to suckle it from the family, we must become sycophants. We must betray our people. We must lose our consciousness and preach tribalism, yet we know very well how much it has costed so many countries. Rwanda is our neighbor, for example. But we want to tell you that we will never accept one person to keep spreading the message of tribalism just because this time round it is coming from a government-lining person, and therefore the government might not act. But as young people of Acholi, we will never accept to be represented in that capacity. We will never accept tribalism. The Acholi and Bagandas are not enemies. The Acholi and Bagandas are not enemies. And it is time for us to unite like never before. To the people of Uganda, the entire community of Uganda. We should never accept the utterances Bosmik is making to divide us. This is what the regime has chosen to do, so that we forget about fighting for the Uganda we want, and we focus on fighting ourselves. We shall unite, and we must unite like never before for the interests of our country. Do not accept to be swayed away because of the tribal utterances Bosmik is making around across the country. Like my brother said, we had rumors that they were organizing the NRM Kada Symposium in Gulu University. Anyone else who talks of NRM Kada ideological symposium, one would expect the organizers to be teaching the young people about the ideology of the NRM. But they have invited the same gentleman, Bosmik, to go and tell the young people how dangerous KYAGULANYI is. I don't understand whether Bobiwine is in the 10-point policy of the NRM. Otherwise, Mr. Museveni this time round is wasting resources to employ a very uninformed person to teach the young people of the NRM ideology. So, as I draw towards the conclusion of my speech, we understand the repercussions of this thing. We understand the repercussions of the bold steps we have chosen today to communicate, to make our points straight and clear to the people of Uganda without fear or favor. And we must understand that no matter the circumstances, no matter the consequences, we will stand for the truth. We understand you do not like the truth, and whoever has spoken the truth to you has either been arrested or killed. And if this will cause our killing, then we shall be proud to die young Ugandans who spoke the truth to our country. Politics without humanity is human sacrifice for God and my country. God bless Uganda.